Hello friends, any plans for the holidays? In this video, we will see how to apply for Turkey e-visa for Indians, which is very quick and easy compared to the old school method. Stick till the end of the video, you'll get a 4-day itinerary to visit the southern part of Turkey. What is an e-visa? E-visa is an electronic visa that is obtained online. It does not require you to visit the embassy or attend any kind of interview. Let's have a look at the eligibility criteria. You should have a valid visa or residence permit, which is also called biometric residence permit (BRP), like student visa, dependent visa, work visa from any of the following countries. Countries from Schengen area. There are 27 countries as of today in Schengen, or UK, USA, or Ireland. Your purpose to visit Turkey should be only for tourism or business. If you have an exception or if you did not meet the above requirements, you would have to visit the embassy and confirm. Basically, when applying for e-visa, you do not require any documents. You would have to just enter the passport details and BRP or visa number while filling the application. You don't need to upload any documents. Let's see how to apply on the website. I have given the link in the description below. This is the official website to apply for Turkey e-visa. You can select your preferred language here. Your e-visa will be ready in just 3 steps. First, click on apply. In this section, you need to select your country. I'm selecting India. You can select the country by clicking on the drop down or just type India on the search bar. Now select your travel document. Please see the options over here. I would go for ordinary passport. You need to enter the verification code mentioned below and then click on save and continue. In this section, you need to select your date of arrival. As mentioned, your visa will be valid for 180 days from the date you selected, but you can stay only for maximum of 30 days. It is a single entry visa and this is the visa fee, 43 US dollar. These type of cards are accepted for the payment. And then click on save and continue. These are the requirements checklist. Your passport should cover the period that you will be staying in Turkey. You need to prove that you have a return ticket, hotel reservation, and $50 per day to spend. You will only need these details only before you plan to travel. As mentioned earlier, your travel reason should be tourism or business. You need to have the supporting document as mentioned here. And finally, tick the last point and click on save and continue. In this step, you need to fill in your personal information. Please double check all the information you filled in is matching with your travel document. Also, please ensure to use your valid correct email address and then click on save and continue. After that, you'll receive this email on the email address which you provided. You can find your reference number on this email. Click on approve, which will take you to the payment link where you need to pay the visa fee of 43 US dollar. After the payment, you should receive this email where you can see the download option. Your e-visa is ready. Please ensure to carry your travel document, passport, BRP, and this visa copy along with when you travel. Key points to remember: the application fee is only 43 US dollar, approximately 3,550 rupees, or in pounds, it's around 36 pound. Visa validity will be 180 days. You can stay up to maximum of 30 days. It is a single entry visa. The Turkey e-visa is issued within 24 hours, but we received it within 5 minutes after the payment. Let's look at the itinerary now. We went directly to Antalya. Day 1, we explored Antalya. There are quite a few places to visit. Beaches. First, we went to Lower Dudden Waterfalls in the morning at 7 a.m. You get a very beautiful sunrise view. I would suggest you to visit at the same time. It's a beautiful time. Then while coming back, you can visit Hydraulic Guleci, Adrian's Gate, Marmarli Plaji, Konyalti Beach. Marmarli Plaji to Konyalti Beach is just 10 to 15 minutes by tram. Day 2, Kemer. You can book a scuba diving activity. I would suggest you to book online through getyourguide.com or any other online website. It is cheap and it's a hassle free. Lunch is included, which you have it on the board. Day 3, Sulwada Island, which is also called Turkish Maldives. It is written in bold as this is the best place among all the others. Water is completely transparent. I suggest you to do the same as you did with Khmer. Book this online, which is cheap and worth it. Please ensure to book this tour where it is mentioned hotel pickup and drop plus lunch. It is a full day boat trip to 2 to 3 islands in Sulwada Island. Day 4, Pamukkale. Pamukkale is also called as Cotton Castle. You can take a bus or train to Otogar, which is a bus terminal. Take a bus from Antalya Otogar to Denizli, which should take you around 3 hours. And from Denizli to Pamukkale, you can get a minivan, should take you around 20 minutes. For Pamukkale trip, I didn't suggest you to book a tour package because tour package is much more expensive than going by yourself. If you learned something from the video, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends and families. Thank you for watching.